got it. Too much snow to sled, huh, girls? Okay, oh, don't, hey, Lydia, don't choke her.
Get off of me.
Don't choke.
Oh, no.
Hey, Anna, don't do that. It'll break. It'll break, Anna. It's gonna bend. It's bending right now. You can sit on top of it, but you can't force it down, or it'll bend in half. Like, this is definitely not going to be sledding kind of snow, if you've noticed. But you can sit on the sled on top of the snow. I mean, 3 foot of snow is there's no way to sled on top of 3 foot of snow like this. But Lydia's able to get a snow angel. Hey, Lydia, do that again. You're able to get a snow angel done. Look at you. You're up on top of that. You're up on top of 3 foot of snow. It's just hard enough to hold you up. Look at that. It's crazy how deep that is.
Stay on.
Mommy's turn shoveling. Look at the snow on top of the gazebo. Playhouse. Amazing all the snow we got. Just deep. Deep snow. It's starting to pack down now today, which is nice. But this is like 5 inches down where our feet are. And then that's another, yeah. It's like 3 foot, 36 inches. It gets 36 inches there.
Snow helps you
Crazy.
get up.
Oh, Lori's building a hill for them to go sledding on. That's cool. What is it? What are you doing?
I can draw.
Yeah, look at you draw. Just don't throw it on me. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Hold on, turn around. You move too quick. Cheese.
Cheese.
You're going to the playhouse? Redneck snow dive by Anna. Lydia, you gonna do one? Redneck snow dive by Lydia. Woo! Oh no, don't. Oh goodness. You didn't go down in it like I did though. I'm glad. And since the snow's too deep to sled, Lori built them a hill.
Okay, ready?
It works.
Okay, but we need to build stairs.
It works. I can't believe it.
So surprised.
I'm down myself the stairs.
Sledding. Okay, Anna's turn. Anna, you need to get the blue one, I
I
think.
think just the blue one.
The orange was too long. So Lydia, go around. Go around.
Lydia.
Wow, this is
Go around.
Ow.
On this, okay?
Can't walk on it, or it won't work. There you go.
I got it to turn.
Good. Okay, Anna, you ready? Stay right there. It's really high.
Come behind mommy, Lydia.
Emma. Get it.
Ready?
Go.
Here we go. She went far.
Awesome.
Wait. Remember where
Here,
the
guys,
stuff
come.
is? Over there. You guys go over there.
Ha. Oh. Okay, Diana.
You want to go backwards?
Oh, I need this way.
Okay. Keep your feet up. Ready?
This is my great.
That is awesome.
Right here.
Yay!
Yay.
Falls in here, and it's like 4.
It's weird how they're stopping out there, and that's 3 foot of snow. They're standing on top of, even crunching down, they're only going down
Okay, girls.
a couple inches into feet of snow. It's weird.
What?
I didn't know snow could be compact like that.
More snow? Great idea.
Lori's turn. Lori's turn snowing.
30 minutes at a time, no heart attacks here. But watch how many shovels it takes to get down. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep.
So it's like we have to shovel 6 times the whole length.
Yep. We gotta take turns too because it's just too backbreaking and hard. Crazy. A lot of snow. I love the snow in the trees over there. It's beautiful. Oh, snow's starting to fall off the house. I've been watching for that. I want to see that come off of there. Pretty cool. And finally gotten down to the road. Been salting and scraping in the night and this morning. And that's just a pack of ice beside it. The main road, I mean our side road's all just it's like a flat sheet of ice, but it's got traction because of snow on top of it. Be weird tonight if we don't get through it. It's a few inches.
Here we go.
Maria?
Was that fun?
It looks like Randy off Christmas Story.
You want to go again? No? Can you say hi?
And the girls are building a snowman.
Okay.
Their first official real snowman. Yeah. Fun stuff. Well, we've been digging out of this blizzard here in Maryland, 2016, and we have dug and worked hard. And so, as the great oracle Jimmy Buffett sings, we're going to take this kind of Margaritaville style, have me a moon pie, RC Coca-Cola, and as Uncle Si says, work hard, nap hard, play hard. Girls, play.
I'm making like a cup of hot cocoa out of snow. I didn't think
The girls built another big snowman. There's Lydia.
Hey, I'm
Go
not
play.
good at something.
Go play hide and seek.
No, I don't like hide and seek. You always find me.